Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs, formerly known as Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today is I am gonna show you guys how to make the glitter keychains that are in my thumbnail. It's basically just going to be like, if you saw my previous keychain video, it's gonna be similar to that, except we're going to add the glitter to it. I will link all the materials down below, but the glitter I'm using is going to be the Recollections glitter. I get it from Michael's. This is the champagne extra fine glitter. It's just a really pretty champagne color. This is the glitter I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using Mod Podge to adhere the glitter, and then we're going to use our triple thick spray to seal it. Now, we use in the first glitter video I did with the wine tumbler, the Black History one, I did the triple thick, the brush on triple thick, and then remember I said I was going to try the spray on triple thick. So we're going to use the spray on triple thick to seal the glitter onto our keychain. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the film that's on the keychain, and I'm going to leave it on this side, but I'm just going to peel it off of that side. Then we're going to take the Mod Podge, and this mat I'm using is a silicone mat. It's going to help me be able to dump the glitter back into the container if I need to. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the Mod Podge and coat, it's a little too much, coat the keychain. You want to try to make it even. Okay, that should be good. Now we're gonna take our glitter. I'm just taking this styrofoam piece out. Okay. And we're just going to coat where we put the Mod Podge. This color is so pretty, this champagne. Okay, there is our first coat. I think I'm going to do 2 coats of glitter. So I'm going to let this dry for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to do the second coat. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that off to the side, and then while that's drying for a couple minutes, I'm going to put my name and my initial. So I'm gonna put the name on top of the initial on the other side. So we're not gonna put it on the same side as the glitter. It's going to be on, so the glitter is gonna be on one side, and then the initials are gonna be on the other side, and we're going to seal both sides with the spray on. And then I am gonna tap this just to make sure all the loose glitter comes off. Okay, so yeah, when I tapped it, you know, it got lighter, so that's why I'm gonna put 2 coats. Okay, now I'm gonna go back over it again with a second coat of glitter. I'm sorry, this is Mod Podge, and then we're gonna cover this with the glitter again. This is super simple. This is the same keychain that I used before. Remember I told you they come in a pack. I don't remember exactly how many come in the pack. I want to say it was something like 20. They have some that are like You get like 72 or in a pack 75, something like that. Very inexpensive, cute little gifts that you can, you know, make and give, or if you want to add them on to something you already offer. These are cute little add-ons that are inexpensive to make. And then same thing, just gonna tap off any excess. Okay, so the second coat looks really good after tapping. That's the second coat. Super pretty. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna put my glitter back in my container, and I will be right back after I do all of that. Okay, so I'm back here, and here is our keychain so far. Haven't sealed it, haven't done anything yet. I'm gonna go ahead and seal the glitter. Okay, so before using this, you know, make sure you read the directions, make sure you're in a well ventilated area. I have a window open over here, so I should be good. Okay, it says apply a full wet coat. And then it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You can add a second coat and then allow 24 hours to dry before handling to avoid fingerprints. Okay, so you want to make sure you give it a spray. Make sure you're in a well ventilated area. Again, I do have a window open, so I'm good. I'm gonna go ahead, because I don't want this to get on my fingers, I'm just gonna take one of my little Cricut tools here, and I'm gonna stick it through the hole like that to kind of hold it for me so I can go ahead and spray it. And then just like spray paint, you're just gonna spray a light coat. Okay, light coat, nothing too heavy, and then if we need a second coat, we can go from there. Now I'm going to keep spinning around. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this flat. So that it can dry. I'm going to wait a couple minutes, and then I'm going to apply the second coat. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 2 minutes. I'm going to apply the second coat, and then I'm going to come back and show you, once it's completely dry, I'm going to come back and show you how to add our letters and our name. Okay guys, so I'm back here. It's the next day, and I did let my keychain dry overnight, so as you can see, it is glossy. Now what we used was the triple thick spray that comes in the spray can, the Krylon one. It's not smooth, so now there's no glitter coming off, like the glitter is sealed, it's not coming off, but it does still have that rough feel, so it doesn't give it that smooth epoxy feel. So if you don't mind the rough feel of the glitter, then the Krylon will work. But if you're looking for something that's smooth like epoxy, then this isn't gonna work. Now I did purchase some crystal lac, and I am going to give that a try as well. I'm gonna be doing a pink and silver glitter tumbler, and I'm gonna use crystal lac for that, which is another alternative to the epoxy. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and finish. We're gonna add our vinyl to this. This is the other side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off. Now see how it's, you know, glossy on this side. And we're gonna add our vinyl to this side. Okay. I'm just using some regular premium vinyl. I'm using white and black. My squeegee is not over here. I'm not sure where my squeegee is. Okay, there's the letter. B is for broad necks. And I am just going to center this. I'm using my Cricut weeder because for whatever reason my squeegee isn't over here. I'm not sure where it is. It might have fell on the floor, honestly. Okay, got our letter B on there, and now we're gonna do the same thing for this other one, which is my name. And we are just going to line it up. All right, that looks so cute. And there we go. There's our glitter. That's so cute. I'll probably go ahead and spray the front with the same spray just to make sure it's nice and sealed. But you can use epoxy on this. You can use resin. You can use the spray. You can use the brush on triple thick. You can use the crystal lac. Whatever you want to seal that, it's completely up to you. Let me put the hardware on it. If I can find it. It's over here. I thought I had it out already. Give me 1 second. I'm finding the hardware. So we can go ahead and put it together. Okay. This is the hardware that comes with it. So you can put the, you know, put it together as a keychain. Okay, I'm gonna put this piece up here at the top because I like how it looks better at the top, to be honest. And then where are the smaller pieces? This one. Okay, and then you can do this with pliers. I don't have well, I don't have them here at my office, so I'm just gonna use my little tweezers here, which work just fine. And there we go. There's our keychain. I think that looks so cute. Okay. So that is all I have for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely drop them down below. If you have any other video ideas you would like for me to do, let me know in the comment section and I will try to get that out for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.